Hi there. Welcome to our channel. If you're here, it's probably because you want to stay connected with your grandkids no matter where they are in the world. Today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest ways to video call your loved ones, step by step. Don't worry if you're not super tech savvy. This guide is designed just for you. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to make that first call with confidence. So let's get started. First off, why should you consider video calling? Unlike a regular phone call, video calls let you see the smiles, laughter, and little moments that make all the difference. Whether it's watching your grandkids show off their latest drawings or seeing them take their first steps, video calls bring you closer. Plus, it's easier than you think. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the tools you'll need. The good news? You probably already have most of them. Here's a quick checklist: a smartphone, tablet, or computer with a camera, a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi works best, and an app for video calling like FaceTime, WhatsApp, Zoom, or Skype. If you're not sure which app to use, don't worry. I'll cover the most popular ones and show you how to use them. Let's start by setting up your device. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, find the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Search for the video calling app you want to use. Let's say we're using WhatsApp. It's free and super popular. Tap Download or Install and wait for the app to install. If you're on a computer, go to the app's website, download the software, and follow the instructions to install it. It's that simple. Now that you've installed the app, it's time to set up your account. Most apps will ask for your phone number or email address, a password to keep your account secure, and sometimes a profile picture. This can be a fun photo of yourself. Follow the on-screen instructions. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to ask a family member or friend to help you. Here comes the fun part: making your first video call. Let me show you how to do it using WhatsApp. Open the app and tap on the Chats tab. Find your grandkids' name in your contact list. If they're not there, you might need to add their phone number first. Tap the camera icon at the top of the screen, and voila, you're video calling. For apps like Zoom or Skype, it's just as easy. You might need to schedule a call or click on a link your grandkids send you. Follow their instructions and you'll be chatting in no time. Now, what if something goes wrong? Here are some quick fixes for common issues. Poor video quality? Check your internet connection and move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Can't hear or see each other? Make sure your camera and microphone are turned on. Forgot your password? Most apps have an option to reset your password. Just look for Forgot Password on the login screen. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't go smoothly the first time. Want to make your calls even more fun? Many apps let you use filters, stickers, and even games during your video chats. Your grandkids will love showing you how to use them, and it's a great way to bond. You can also share photos, watch videos together, or just enjoy a good laugh. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. Find a quiet, well-lit space for your calls. Natural light works wonders. Use a stand or prop for your device to keep it steady. Don't forget to smile. It's a video call after all. And remember, the goal is to stay connected and have fun. That's it. You're now ready to video call your grandkids and stay closer than ever, no matter the distance. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy video calling.